Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to turn off the brightness gesture on VLC player. First of all, open your VLC player and choose the record video to play. Here you can see the three dots on the top right corner. Tap on the three dots and here you can see the control settings. Tap on it. Here you can see the brightness gesture on the gesture tab. Tap on the box and turn the brightness gesture turn off. Now the brightness gesture in this VLC player is turned off. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.